Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix lagging issue on iPhone after update iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap on motion. On the motion page, enable reduce motion. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Clear charging and data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, tap on show all files. Delete any unnecessary files and data. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.